How to take care of a lucky bamboo plant in rocks. Welcome to Garden Bamboo Plants YouTube channel. Lucky bamboo, also known as Dracaena sanderiana, is a popular indoor plant known for its good luck symbolism and elegant stalks. But keeping it happy in rocks can sometimes feel tricky. Don't worry. In this video, we'll break down the key care tips to ensure your lucky bamboo thrives in its rocky paradise. We'll also discuss some common problems you might encounter and how to avoid them. Let's start with what's important. We mentioned several factors in our previous videos, but these three are paramount, worth repeating. The key to a flourishing lucky bamboo in rocks lies in understanding its basic needs. 1. Water. Lucky bamboo isn't a swamp monster. In your rock and water setup, you only need to cover the roots with water, not the entire plant. Fresh water is essential. Change it every 7 to 10 days, more often in summer, less often in winter, to prevent algae growth. Here's the kicker: use filtered or distilled water to avoid harmful chlorine and fluoride that can damage your plant. 2. Sunlight. Think indirect light. Lucky bamboo prefers gentle, filtered sunlight for 3 to 4 hours daily. Harsh, direct sunlight will scorch the leaves, so keep it out of those sunbeams. 3. Fertilization. It's not mandatory, but a diluted houseplant fertilizer applied every 8 to 10 weeks can give your lucky bamboo a boost. Remember, less is more. Over-fertilization can harm your plant. Check out the video linked above for more information on how to supercharge your lucky bamboo plants using homemade fertilizers. Now, let's talk about some problems you might encounter and how to fix them. Yellowing leaves. This can be a sign of overwatering. Reduce watering frequency and check for root rot. If roots are mushy or brown, remove them and change the water immediately. Algae growth. Do not let this happen. Frequent water changes and keeping the rocks clean can help prevent it. If algae persists, a diluted solution of hydrogen peroxide can be used to remove it. The overall health of your plants depends on maintaining a healthy ecosystem. Those rocks in your lucky bamboo arrangement are more than just decoration. They provide support for the plant and help regulate moisture levels. Occasionally, remove the rocks and clean them thoroughly with warm water and soap to prevent algae buildup or harmful bacteria. What more can you do? As your lucky bamboo thrives, it may eventually outgrow its container. When this happens, repotting is necessary. Choose a slightly larger container, clean the rocks, and carefully replant your lucky bamboo, ensuring the roots are covered with rocks and watered thoroughly. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your lucky bamboo thrives in its bed of rocks. Here at Garden Bamboo Plants, we hope your plants thrive and bring you lots of joy and happiness. Check out the playlist for all the videos on lucky bamboo plants. If you have any questions about caring for your lucky bamboo, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant care tips and tricks. Until next time, happy lucky bamboo planting!